Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is FDC Limited. Before the video, please like our video so that it can reach to other viewers who are looking for jobs. Let us see complete details in this video. This is full-time job opportunity. You can see walk-in for position is production QA and designation is officer, senior officer, supervisor, executive. Coming to the education and qualification, Bpharm, Mpharm, 12th ITI graduates apply to this position. Total vacancies are 4 and experience is 1 to 8 years of experience. And area is packing, granulation, capsule filling, APQR, stability, change control, investigation. These walk-in are conducted at 18th to 21st September 2024 and venue is FDC Limited, Village Kolbooth near Dr. Reddy Tehsil Badi, Solan. If you have any query, please contact the HR. Please refer description box for HR contact details. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.